In this video, I am going to show you how to see your own DNA, and I am going to make you the scientist. What is DNA? DNA is a genetic material. It comes from our parents. Every living thing will have the DNA. What should we do besides the DNA? So, in this video, you are going to see your DNA. First, let's see the required materials. Water, salt, a spoon, stick, soap or shampoo, sanitizer, a transparent container, syrup cup with measurements. So let's start the process. First, I am taking the glass and pouring 30 ml of water. Now, I am adding 2 to 3 spoons of salt. Now, I am mixing it until the salt dissolves. I have mixed the salt and the water. Now, salt is dissolved. Now, I have to gargle this water for 1 whole minute and split it into a cup. Now I have split it into a container. Now I am using the transparent container and pouring this splitted water into this. Now we need to add 2 to 3 drops of soap or shampoo. 1. Now I have mixed it, but bubbles should not come. Now we need to take sanitizer, 60 ml of sanitizer. Now we need to add the sanitizer to the walls of this container. Now I have poured sanitizer to the walls. We need to wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is my DNA. This thread-like thing is my DNA. This thread-like thing is my DNA. This is how to see your DNA. And you can see your DNA at home. This is how you can be scientist. Thanks. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.